just wanna dance, I feel good.
Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of this undecorating and redecorating with me video. I will not bore you with a long introduction because you already know what's happening in this video, and if you don't know, if this is the first of this 2-part series that you're watching, I'll just link it in a card right at the top of your screen, so please check that one out before you actually watch this one, or you might be lost. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right into sprucing up this place. Okay. Alright guys, so this is what the house is basically looking like. Yes, I have not spread our bed yet because we're actually going to be on the bed a lot, trying to get up there and over there and all the things. So we'll actually clean at the end of this video. So these are basically the decorations that we're trying to get down, and my cute husband is all ready to help me, you know, do the hard stuff. So yeah, we're dealing with the door, all of this decoration. Merry Christmas over there, and as you can see, they're on hooks, the adhesive hooks that I showed you in the previous clips. Yeah, so have Christmas lights, a little Christmassy thing, and all of this. That's what we're going to be dealing with, and of course we're going to have to tidy this whole room up. So let's get started. Guys, so we actually found ourselves in a dilemma. We could not install the cardboard, so we had to run back to Seria, the dollar store, to get adhesive tape so that we could tape the cardboard to the wall. That's what Adam is doing now. Yeah, and just in case you're wondering why we actually had to go and get the tape instead of just driving a nail into the wall, as I mentioned earlier, we are renting and we are not allowed to put holes into the walls.
Oh, I knew you would go back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't wanna lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive, so we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me. what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Just love me harder, have no mercy on me. Just tell me louder if you're loving me. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me. Tell me louder if you're loving me. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me. Just tell me louder if you're loving me. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me. Tell me louder if you're loving me.
Steady progress, but there was still a whole lot of things left to be done. And I mean, I was tired, but I gotta keep going. So let's jump some more through this process, okay? This product is not a drink. Do not put it in your mouth. Okay friends, we are finished with undecorating and redecorating our little space. This project took all day. It's about my new clock. It's 6 o'clock right now. Yes. So, and we started at about 1 p.m. So it took a whole lot of hours. But without further ado, let me show you what I did. So we didn't have enough string lights to actually line the entire apartment, the entire 4 corners of the apartment, but we did get a lot of the corners done. I think we lost some of the length when we had to go around the AC unit, but we only have a small space just right there that doesn't have lights right now. All right, and so I rearranged our little picture situation here to a cork board decorated with a little floral arrangement and just some of our photos. And the middle picture is actually a picture from our vacation in Korea at the Seoul Tower. And I still kept our last year Christmas card at the top there. All right, my bed is finally made and I think my emoji pillow is just laughing away at me. We did replace the reach here on the door. We took down our Merry Christmas sign and now we have a clock and a little garland there. We now have our picture in a picture frame, yay! And as for the other photos, we are going to get picture frames too and just create like a wall picture collage on this wall here. And yeah, the adhesive tape though, I'm very impressed. Like, this is not moving. The tape is very, very amazing. And for this area where I had the Merry Christmas hanging garland before, not garland, but sign or words or letters or whatever. I just put a calendar so we can keep check. Our wedding photo still stays on that wall. Oh, a new piece. This little picture here of, a Korean's version of me and Adam. We actually sat down and did a sketch, and this is what we got. So yeah, it's in a frame, nicely put where the hanging Christmas bow was. And I rearranged our little dresser situation a bit. Our television area, I need to sort under the television, but that will have to stay for another day. I did give the humidifier a little home, so when it's, misted and so on, it doesn't ruin the wood, because the TV and the TV stand came with the apartment. And yes, I know my frosted flakes is showing in the background, but as you can see from the apartment tour, we don't have a lot of space to put things. And this little area right here, that box down there has some goodies that I'm going to do an unboxing video of. And the flowers are just some flowers. I like to put the flowers that Adam buys me right there, because like you all know, I don't have a specific space at home for it in this tiny space. So on the keyboard, we love this book. It was a wedding gift, The Adventist Home. And I just put my diaries and so there. And the sticky notes. And yeah, this is our key. So in the apartment video, I mentioned we have a flat key that goes into the keyhole. This is it. You stick it in there. But that's a spare one. And last but not least, our dining table. And I think this is the best that our dining table has ever looked, with table runner and all that stuff. Yep. Just have a little rose scented candle in the middle there. And that's basically it. That's basically it, guys. I'm still keeping my heart balloon. I love it. And the lights on the door. So when we are watching the television, we like to, keep it dark but still have a little light. That's where these lights come in. So yeah. Adam-san,
はい。
お疲れ様でした。
お疲れ様でした。
お疲れ様。And that is Japanese for thank you for your hard work, or good job today, or just to give a little encouragement. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for the little undecorating and clean with me. There was a lot of cleaning footage, as you can see. It took all day. I'm super tired. Still have tape on my skin. So I'm going to hop into the shower and start my afternoon. Well, my night. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. Join the party, tell your friends, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.